Each one of these lots is worth $130,000. Yes, $130,000. But you're only paying $9.50 per piece. How crazy is that? Think about it. That's basically a latte and cake pop at Starbucks. So you could either invest in your future today or not. On this channel, we talk about how you can make money and grow your business. Let's get started. Number 1, how do you actually make money? Number 2, how much money can you make? Number 3, how easy is it to make money? Number 4, can you do it? What's going on? It's Mike. I'm gonna grab some of these and meet you in the studio. All right, let's check them out. These are new overstock condition in poly bags with the original retail price tags. They're fully manifested, which will allow you to know how many of what style you're receiving, the retail value of each. You've got everything from backpacks to crossbody bags, shoulder bags, fanny packs, and more. They're available directly from here in our warehouse at Via Trading. So come on in and check them out. So question 1, how do you actually make money? Well, this goes right back to your vision and business plan as discussed in depth in this video right here, this one. And if you haven't watched that video, make sure to watch it right after this one. But at the end of the day, it comes down to your potential profit margin. What that means is, if you buy an item for X amount, how much do you need to sell it for, taking all other expenses into consideration? Your overhead, rent, shipping costs, employees, and everything in order to make a profit. Question 2, how much money can I make? In this case, the average retail price per bag is $85. But you're only investing $9.50 per unit. That gives you a potential profit margin of 800%. 800% potential profit margin based on the original retail price per bag. Now, your potential profit margin will fluctuate based on your particular sales channel. But if you can't make money off this merchandise right here, it's time to lean into your account manager, go back to the drawing board, and revise your business plan because there's money to be made. Question 3. How easy is it to make money on this merchandise? As easy as you make it. We can give you all the information from the retail value, price you pay, and potential profit margin, but that's only half the equation. You gotta do your part. This requires you taking action towards reselling this merchandise, starting off with figuring out what you can sell it for in your market. If you need guidance, reach out to your account manager because that's what we're here for. Question 4, can you do it? I don't know, can you? I think the real question is, how committed are you? Think about all the times you started something only to quit because things didn't go your way. When you decided to start working out, when you decided to start keeping a budget, when you decided to learn a new language, to dance, to cook, to build something, and wait for it, start a resale business. So yes, you can do it and you know it. But it's gonna take dedication and commitment. I know that might sound scary and discouraging, but you're not alone. Here at Via Trading, we've helped tens of thousands of individuals start and grow their resale businesses since 2002, so you're in good hands. Okay, now that you have all this information, what do you think will be more valuable for your business? Investing all your hard-earned money in handbags or spending $9.50 at Starbucks? Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't go and treat yourself, but here at Via Trading, we're committed in supporting you in creating profitable resale businesses. And after all, when you grow, we grow. So subscribe if you haven't already and you find these videos valuable. Make sure to click that notification bell so you don't miss the next video, and comment below. Let us know how you would sell these handbags. Let's support the entire community and grow together. Make sure to click the link in the description where you can find additional information on these handbags and review the manifest. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Peace!